channel of Kastar ceramic tile sealer. Today we come to our customer's house and show you how to decorate the bathroom tile gap with the easiest and fastest way, which fill the ceramic tile gap with Kastar ceramic tile sealer. Now here we are at bathroom, and as you can see, the gap between the tiles is empty now. And we need to clean the gap first without dust or water. And then according to the review of instruction and loading the sealer into the coat gun. Then let's start the operation. Friends, after 24 hours, we remove the excess sealer. And what's the result of after applied Kastar ceramic tile sealer? No more mold or mildew, no more leak shower with those awful draining tires, and consistent dirt and crack that traditional grout promotes.